Have you ever contemplated how the sun, that colossal ball of energy in our sky, can power more than just our homes? Well, ponder no more. Today, we dive into the world of solar carports, a clever fusion of solar technology and architectural design. Imagine the traditional carport, a structure designed to shield your vehicle from the elements. Now let's elevate that image. Picture a carport with solar panels on its roof, harnessing the sun's energy while providing the same protective function. This, dear listeners, is a solar carport. The beauty of a solar carport lies in its dual-purpose design. It serves the primary function of a carport, protecting your vehicle from rain, snow, and sun damage. At the same time, it steps into the role of a mini power plant, producing electricity from sunlight. How does this work, you ask? Well, it's all about the solar panels. These panels contain cells made from a material that generates electricity when sunlight hits it, a phenomenon known as the photovoltaic effect. The electricity generated can power your home, charge your electric vehicle, or even feed back into the grid. But the benefits of a solar carport extend beyond its electricity generation. It's essentially a renewable energy source, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. Plus, it can be a financially savvy move. With government incentives and the savings on electricity bills, a solar carport can pay for itself over time. And let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. Solar carports, with their sleek design and modern look, can enhance the curb appeal of your property. It's a stylish way of embracing renewable energy. To recap, a solar carport is more than a shield for your vehicle. It's a solar power station that generates electricity, contributes to a sustainable planet, saves money, and adds a touch of modern design to your home. It's a testament to human ingenuity, taking a simple structure like a carport and transforming it into a tool for energy generation and conservation. So, the next time you gaze at the sun, remember that its energy can power more than just our homes. With solar carports, we can harness that energy in our everyday lives, one carport at a time.